Hi, I'm retired Navy SEAL Chris Sajnog and the author of Navy SEAL Shooting. And one of the top 20 most frequently asked questions I get is, I don't own a gun, where should I start? Well, new guy, start your timer, as I give you my 5-step plan for new gun owners in today's 5 and under 5 FAQ.
Joining me now is retired Navy SEAL sniper, Chris Sajnog.
If you're a new gun owner, you don't own a gun yet, and you're like, where do I start? Well, that is a super common question, and that's why it's one of my most frequently asked questions. The answer is these 5 steps. So step number 1 is to simply decide if a firearm is right for you. Don't think just because you want to protect yourself or those you love that a firearm is right for you, because firearms are definitely not right for everybody. So decide, is it right for you or is it not? And that's step number 1. All right, so after you decide if a firearm is right for you, well, the next thing you need to do is decide what type of firearm is right for you. And there's obviously all kinds of choices you can make. Either a handgun, a rifle, a shotgun, and you need to look at your situation and what you're planning on using it for to decide what type of firearm is going to be right for you. So step number 3 is go find a gun store that you can go at least look at and hold different firearms to find one that fits your needs and your budget. But that's really the best thing you can do, is go get your hands on the equipment, try it out. There's a lot of gun stores that also have ranges in them that you can actually shoot some of these firearms to make sure it's the right gun for you. So number 4 is, once you decide on what you think is the right gun for you, the best thing you can do is either go get a blue gun, maybe an airsoft replica of the exact firearm that you plan on getting, and practice with that a little bit. See if it's still right for you, because I'll tell you what, it's going to be a lot cheaper and a lot safer if you try it out with a blue gun or an airsoft gun. You'll be able to learn and see if it's right for you before you go and make the purchase of the firearm you were thinking about getting. All right, the 5th and final step is make sure that you actually learn how to shoot before ever firing the gun. If you've watched any of my other videos, this will make sense to you. If you haven't watched them, it probably doesn't make sense, so let me briefly explain. You need to learn how to shoot at home before you go to the range and start making the gun go bang. You need to learn how to stand. You need to learn how to grip the gun. You need to learn how to manipulate the trigger. You need to know how to focus and aim. You can do all of that stuff at home, and you can do it before you ever fire your first round, and you'll be a much better shooter and you'll learn a lot quicker for it. All right, so that is it for today's FAQ. Make sure you follow this simple 5-step plan as you get started down the path of gun ownership. Please check out my other 19 5 and under 5 FAQ videos to continue paving your path to perfection. Hey guys, if you like this video and you want to learn more, I put together 20 videos with the best training advice I've learned over the past 25 years of training others, and I want to give those to you absolutely free. Just click on the iCard that just popped up or go to chrissajnog.com/free videos, and I'll not only send you those 20 free videos, I'll also send you a free PDF copy of my New Rules of Marksmanship Manifesto, which is the framework for everything I teach. So here's what I want you to do right now. Click on the iCard or go to chrissajnog.com/free videos, and I'll see you on the other side.